Access to drinking water varies significantly depending on location, infrastructure, and cost. In many regions, individuals rely on either municipal tap water or commercially bottled alternatives. Each option comes with its own limitations, including dependency on external systems, recurring expenses, and variability in perceived quality. As a result, some individuals explore alternative approaches that allow for more direct control over water sourcing and preparation. These approaches often include filtration systems, storage solutions, or independent treatment methods. Within this context, instructional resources have emerged that focus on guiding individuals through the process of creating their own systems at home. Alka Water DIY is a digital instructional product designed to guide users through the construction of a water treatment device. The product consists of downloadable materials that outline the process of assembling a system using commonly available components. The guide includes step-by-step written instructions, visual diagrams, and a materials list. The intended output is a manually assembled device that applies a basic water ionization principle. The system described in the guide involves arranging physical components such as containers, connectors, and conductive elements. The structure is designed to allow water to pass through a process that separates components based on electrical interaction. The product itself does not include physical materials. It functions solely as a set of instructions and reference documents. The usage process begins with accessing the digital content through an online platform. After obtaining the files, the user reviews the instructions and identifies the required materials. The next step involves sourcing the listed components. These may include basic household or hardware items such as containers, tubing, and connectors. Once all materials are collected, the user follows the sequential instructions provided in the guide. The process includes assembling the structure, positioning components correctly, and connecting parts according to the diagrams. The construction phase typically requires manual effort and basic handling of tools. No specialized technical background is explicitly required, but the process assumes the user can follow procedural steps. After assembly, the device is connected to a water source. The system then operates based on the described configuration, allowing water to pass through the constructed setup. The guide may also include instructions for setup and positioning, as well as general operational guidance. Ongoing interaction with the product is minimal after the device is built. This type of product aligns with individuals interested in do-it-yourself projects involving household systems. It may also appeal to those exploring alternative methods of water handling or independent system construction. Users who prefer hands-on activities and are comfortable assembling physical components may find the structure of the product compatible with their approach. Additionally, individuals looking for low-cost, self-assembled solutions may engage with this type of instructional format. The product assumes a level of autonomy, as the user is responsible for both sourcing materials and executing the build process. It does not rely on professional installation or external services compared to commercial water filtration or treatment systems. This product does not provide a pre-built device. Instead, it transfers the responsibility of construction to the user through instructional content. Traditional systems typically involve higher upfront costs and may include warranties, certifications, and standardized components. In contrast, a DIY instructional guide offers flexibility in material sourcing and assembly but lacks centralized manufacturing. Other alternatives, such as ready-made filtration units, require minimal setup but reduce user involvement in the construction process. The DIY approach increases user participation while reducing dependency on pre-assembled products. This positions the product as an instructional resource rather than a finished solution. For access to the instructional material referenced in this video, please refer to the link provided in the description below.